Let's go. Let's go. You guys are crazy.
We're not crazy. We're enthusiastic.
That is.
Oh my god. Oh shit, it's...
Oh my god.
Wow.
Oh my god. Take a picture of that. And stay there.
Oh my god, my hand! Try to push yourself up, it's impossible.
Why is me in a weird position?
Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god.
Dude, it's big over here though. Let's go over here.
Dumpster.
Wait, dumpster?
On the dumpster.
No, ready? Face first.
Good enough, I'll say.
Oh, not helpful. Oh my god. My hood's coming so hot. That's what we got trapped in on our way out.
Oh, I feel sorry for you guys.
We jumped over the railing, we're looking at the phone, and we just get stuck in it.
Damn, that's a big amount of snow, dude.
Yeah, I feel sorry for them. Look at this.
Damn. I don't know if I can be able to take you home, dude.
Huh?
My face is freezing.
Here, hold on.
Right there?
Take this phone, Eugene.
Take the phone.
Warm it up.
Oh my god.
Oh, this stuck. Here, take the phone.
Okay.
I think the guys are stuck.
Yeah. He'll push you if you need it. Hold maybe.
Where are you? Come here.
Try to be helpful, man.
Dude, my face is frozen.
I want to put my hood up, but it's covered in, it's filled with snow.
Oh, hell no.
Your wheels aren't even moving.
I'm warming it up.
Oh fuck.
Your fucking wheels.
I know, I just told him that he's worried that he's revving the engine. Ah, fuck, guys, fill my ear. Fucking ball of it.
Yay, get out.
Snow buddies.
Dude, we need a fucking truck. I get stuck in like 3 inches of snow. We're running back to our
Right.
See you guys.
See ya.
Oh my god.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Oh fuck.
Oh my god. I'm gonna be sick for another week. Oh shit. Oh. Oh, oh shit. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh my dick. Oh god. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. 4 minutes on the dot.